Hello, I'm Janice and I hope you're all doing well. In this video, we're having a pretty late start to the vlog. It's pretty much like dinner time already. And today's video is inspired by one of your comments. When I saw it, I was like, it's been a while since I've done a video on Korean barbecue. And you have listed one of my favorite places to get Korean barbecue. And so I thought, you know what? I don't think I've ever featured it in one of my vlogs, so okay, I've just arrived at one of my all-time favorite places to get Korean barbecue. It is Stoneage in West Ryde, and it never disappoints. It's always a good time. I love all their side dishes. I love their meats, and one of my favorite things to get is the steamed egg. It's always so delicious. So what we've got is we've got a series of different meats, and we've got 3 dishes. So in terms of meats, we have pork jowl, we have marinated beef ribs, and we also have ox tongue. And then in terms of the mains, we've got, in terms of like the additional dishes, we've got the steamed egg, which I think you absolutely have to order when you come here. We've got a beef rib soup, and we've also got the cold noodles. Okay, one thing I also really enjoy is their cabbage salad. It's so incredibly refreshing. Ox tongue is one of my favorite meats to barbecue. They slice it so thinly. I really enjoy the texture. I think if you just think about ox tongue as it is, it sounds strange, but it's one of those things that I think you definitely should try at least once. The texture and the flavor. So good. It's more chewy than other cuts of meat because ultimately, the tongue is a muscle. But I think it's that texture that makes it so delicious. In terms of sauces, we have bean paste and also soy sauce. And also one of the great things about coming here is that they help you cook your meats and they change the grill very, very often, so you don't have to worry about super oily, greasy grills. It's like a potato ice cream. And the great thing about this is it lasts for refills. One thing that I always think you should have when you're having Korean barbecue is the cold noodles. It's just so refreshing. The vinegar, the tartness is in combination with the cold noodles. It just counteracts the heat from the grill so well. My mom had it for the first time just then, and now she wants to order a second one. It's got cucumber, it's got egg, and it's one of my favorite summer dishes. We have beef, we have kimchi, we have rice, we have lettuce. And then I'm just gonna, this is, I think, it has to be a one-biter, honestly. It's so good. One of my favorite items is the egg. As you can tell, it's already nearly finished. That's probably indicative of how good it is. It's smooth and it's savory. I left it out a little bit, so it's not crazy hot like before, but you gotta be careful because when it comes out, it's bubbling and there's steam just radiating from the egg. I can eat it alone by itself, or give me some rice and I can eat it with that as well. So this is the cold noodles with chili paste. the original thing I This isn't really spicy at all. My preference is also the original one. I like that it had more of like a soup. You know, if we order a third bowl, I would probably be able to finish that as well. We also got the beef rib soup. This is all mine now. It's like a very clear broth with a lot of beefy flavor. Look at this beautiful piece of beef. Super, super tender. I'm super happy just like pouring this soup into the rice. So this broth also has these like glass noodles in it, just in case your bowl of rice isn't enough carbs for you. I like that this beef is not overly like savory, because personally, I appreciate more subtle flavors. Yeah, the general consensus around the table is our favorite two meats is the barbecue pork ribs. Sorry, is the barbecue beef ribs and also the ox tongue. If I were to order this again, I'd probably double up on the ox tongue and then get the barbecue marinated beef ribs. Okay, we managed to finish absolutely everything we ordered. So we ordered like 3 meats, 2 main dishes, and then also the egg. And then we also, of course, had the side dishes. In terms of rice, we had 2 rice. And yeah, I'm comfortably full. Let's see how much this costs. Okay, the entire Korean barbecue came to $127, but if you pay in cash, you get $10 off. So it was $117 for the 4 of us. It's not bad. Dinner was super delicious. I am actually heading to my parents' place now to have some fruit and also upload my video that's meant to go out today. I'm nearly done with it. I just need to work on my thumbnail and like the description. Do you guys ever read it? Do you guys ever click on like see more and see what I've written down below? Let me know. 我記得係我呢個西瓜，唔夠紅喎。Actually，個皮好厚啊。個皮好厚啦，個皮厚啊。但係好紅喎。你揀㗎？媽俾你揀。你喺度 shift accountability。And that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you so much for tuning in on all these vlogs and leaving me comments and recommendations. I really enjoy reading it. And yeah, 5 more days until Christmas. And I'll see you in my vlog tomorrow. Bye. I just need to get my thumbnail done. All my thumbnails are just like, I'm like, what's a good screenshot of my face? Usually I'm like,